Do you ever feel restless in your busy daily life? When our minds and bodies are overwhelmed, our breathing becomes shallow and rapid. Our mind, body, and breath are deeply connected. In these moments, meditation can help you slow your breathing and find your calm. Through deep, mindful breathing, you can create space for renewal. This is one of the powerful ways meditation can transform your day. Meduna is a free, easy-to-start meditation app for finding peace and relaxation. Use it anywhere, while walking, before bed, or during any quiet moment in your day. Using Meduna couldn't be simpler. Just select your session length and press start. Begin your journey instantly. New to meditation? Our 3-minute practice mode guides you through the rhythm of peaceful breathing. After your session ends, your device automatically enters sleep mode, perfect for bedtime meditation without worry. Meduna, your free ad-free gateway to meditation and relaxation. Even just 3 minutes a day can create a lasting habit of renewal and peace. Download from the link below.